Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. It's 5 p.m. and my siblings are about to be dropped off from school, so I have to hurry this up, get it out there quickly. AMV, top to bottom, AMV down $66. Not a bad stock, but lighter volume stock. Yesterday we had the huge move. Today, a bit of a rest day. We had a nice red to green. It curls up higher after this bit of a wedge, but volume was the issue here. Volume was the number one problem. I did notice this pattern, but when what's going on here? When the volume is this light, it's a little hard, right? So we have this wedge, and then rips, from 9 up to a height of 950. Not bad, right? So it did give opportunities. The red to green wasn't bad, but volume profile was like BBAI. Beautiful move pre-market on BBAI. In fact, I did trade some of it. Should have done better. Should have done a little bit better, but it happens. It happens. In fact, let me double check that this is the one that I traded pre-market. Sometimes it's a little hard to remember. Let's go to this one and come back. Can we get a reset? Yeah, this was the one we traded pre-market. My memory is all over the place. Oh, we'll leave it up there. Yeah, so we started taking a couple of trades. It's around 8:30 a.m. This thing was absolutely beautiful, man. It gave a nice move up, pulls back, crawls higher. We pulled back again. Not quite the double bottom, but we do get a nice surge up here from these lows. And you can see the 5-minute charting was clean as well. So, pre-market, a little disappointing. Then we didn't trade this aggressive move here, thinking it was slowing down. After this pullback here, this wick rather, at 22, I'm like, it looks like it's slowing down, and it absolutely takes off, man. We trade the pullback, not good. And we want to be trading these areas here. This, the incline, this, and this. And the pullbacks you can trade, but you got to really be careful about being in low and, of course, selling high. Into the open, it was pretty weak, unfortunately. I was down 140 pre-market. I made it back, and then I lost it again, which wasn't good. So I think I was like scratched from the day, but you can see this thing, man, choppy. Big red candle, big red candles, big red candles, big red candles, big red candles, especially this one from high of 385 to a low of 295 in the blink of an eye, guys. So this thing was tricky. It wasn't the easiest. Yeah. Towards the end of the day, we did attempt some smaller trades for a potential breakout. It did look interesting here, but unfortunately falls to breakout, bearish engulfing. And again with the big red candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, all in this range right here, and then our green candles aren't great either because we have some smaller wicks at the top, right? So we're going higher, we're pulling back. And then, of course, we have this. Even, it's too many to count, aren't really. So moving on, Bed Bath. Bed Bath, man. Bed Bath. Bed Bath. It did well, man. It did well. Earlier in the day, we took some trades up here. We're in, we're out. Well, it looks like one trade, really. Not too much there. So there was this huge wedge going on, right? Another wedge, the wedge patterns. And it erupts. It does erupt. It does erupt here. We had a few topping wicks right here, a bit of a false break, and then over here again as it came up. But coming up from this red to green is a little extended. Big drop-offs too, right? Notice this theme of these big red candles, guys. Big red candle, big red candle, big red candle. So when these stocks are giving out, they're giving out. But it does surge up nicely. Right here, for me, small size, was just watching for a small high if they break. And we do get it. These trades, I'm in at 87, 86. And I came out at 90. Oh, no. Oh, hold up. I'm pretty sure I had a better trade than this right here. Maybe not. You know what happened? This is what happened. I told myself don't push. Yeah. I told myself don't push it. I told myself, hey, you're green 500. What are you doing? Because I think I took a $30 loss or something on some other stock. It's like, hey, what are you doing? The day is ending. It's wrapping up. It's coming to an end. You're hungry, you've been sitting here all day. Go get lunch because it's way past lunchtime. And I left. But look at the move. I did see the most of this, but I shut down my Thinkorswim. I was watching it through level 2 only, but it just kept going, man. It just kept going. I would have made money here without a doubt from what I was seeing, but it just kept going. 514, flat top, incline, 87, pulls back, and yeah, BBBY, KERN, small trades on this one, as we had some high of day attempts, pull back. So not bad. Pulls back, move higher, pulls back, and I started trading it on the second one, moves higher, and 1 minute candle to make the new high again. Bottoming wick right here is where it started to turn to the backside. I was up 100, I believe. I tried buying lower for the dip here, 1,000 shares. I was up $100, or let's say 150, 170. And I bought the dip here for the 5-minute setup. It's not going to hold up at all. I stopped out. This is disappointing. I expected this pullback to hold. And if we look at it right here, at the time, volume profile was lighter on the red candle, and it seemed like we were bottoming out at like 58, 60. So I took it. What I needed to do differently here was just to go in with half size and then add lower to reduce risk, but it's all good. It happens. I thought the setup was looking solid. Later in the day, it does this huge move. I missed it. I missed out these couple of candles. I did see it on the red candle, but by then it was too late. Nasty drop. It goes lower. Big bottoming wick. It makes you think, hey, maybe we're trapping short sellers, and then nope, right back down. MNTS pushed up, but this one wasn't the best, I would say. Actually, hold on. Which one was this? MNTS. Volume was light up until 11:15. And we had this surge, this big green candle. But yeah, if you didn't really capture that big green candle, not much there. You can see it happen from this bit of a bull flag. Right, nice bull flag. These triangular patterns, man. Not bad. And on the one, it's more like a ABCD kind of, well, let's say flat top, right? We got highs of 33, 33, 31. So over 33, it erupts. High of day breakout. XPON. Oh, sounds like they're home, and I'm behind. XPON. We gotta get rid of some of these show trades, man. This is looking too crazy. So starts off the day pretty decent. Green candle, another wedge pattern again. Look at these higher lows that we're seeing here. Right, not bad. Squeezes over the highs, pulls back hard, then gives a red to green. For me, I don't remember how well I did in this first area here. Let's see, between like 935. Let's see. Hold on. XPON. Doesn't seem like I even traded this thing early. Nope, I did not. Yeah, I didn't trade it early, unfortunately. So I missed out on these beautiful moves. But, once we started having this ascension is where I really got involved. And it did well, breaking over the 200. This pink line that we see here. And it continued. We had a nice flag. Another, bit of a triangular pattern once again. So you see how these triangle patterns are just repeating. Bull flag, big breakout, flag pull, flag. We go higher. Gives a good follow through. Previous high of day here was 320. It pulls back to a low of 318. So this was good. I'm pretty sure I was trading this entire area here. Let's see. Well, no, it looks like I missed this dip. Unfortunately. But I look like I had trades. Let's see. 29. What are these coming from? 38, 38. No, it looks like I missed the lows, man. Look like this is disappointing. Should have captured this red candle here. But yeah, it pushes up some more, and we also get trades over here, right? And that was the day, guys. And I traded small, 1500. So getting it done. Yeah, guys. What else do we have? Is there another one on the list? YTEN. Yeah, YTEN. Well, this one we captured some. We were efficient. We captured a quick trade. So it breaks out over 35. I'm in 37. I'm out 41. I believe 1500 share blocks, and I bought twice, if I'm not mistaken. And you know, it was a good one. Well, yeah, that was the day. You know, it wasn't a crazy day, you know, like we'll sometimes see, but sticking around, getting it done, starting red. You know, I think keeping the smaller size early just to protect myself a little bit, get a feel for the day, and then getting dialed in is the way to go. But I have been trading longer, which, you know, like 5 hours today, I think is like, it's definitely more draining, you know, than just the 1 hour. So I think that's something that I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see, because, you know, you got to do what you got to do to get the gains, but at the same time, opportunity always costs. So that's where I'll leave it. Hit that thumbs up button, guys, if you did enjoy the content here, the YouTube recap. If you're a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll, of course, play this little bit of a, yeah, there we go. Like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications. Leave some comments down below. I'll check out the comments later today. Let me know how you guys did it. Let me know, you know, let me know anything. Let me know comments, suggestions, concerns, anything. It's been RT. It's been a good one. Green is good. Our final day, our final P&L on the day is 511, which is solid. So take it easy, stay safe. I am, of course, signing up.